Good morning, welcome back to Vlogmas episode 3. Let's get the day started, shall we?
Good morning, Biscuff. Did you sleep well? Hi. You want to get up for breakfast? You want to eat? Hi, baby. Oh, you're so cute.
First things first, let's make the bed. Let's feed the baby first. We already have some pre-cooked chicken breast for her. A scoop of the chicken breast. And for fruits, we are adding in some jumbo blueberries. These are my favorite, and I'm sure she loves these too. Okay, we're gonna add in 4. I'm gonna wash this really quick. So I actually have to break these for her. Like, I feel like she doesn't like to eat it when she can't taste the inside first. So if it's just the skin, she's just gonna skip it. Okay, it is my turn to eat. I'm gonna make some yogurt. I have blackberries and blueberries. I'm thinking of making a matcha yogurt. I have my matcha powder here. Going to add in my matcha. I love this vanilla almond granola from Trader Joe's. Okay, I'm gonna eat this really quick and hop in a shower because my hair is so disgusting. Alright, this is not the right yogurt. This is the plain yogurt. This tastes very much gut healthy. I can't do plain yogurt. I always get the French vanilla yogurt. Oh my god, this is so sour. I can't do Greek yogurt. I can't do regular yogurt. My diet is basically a kid's diet. Just did my makeup really quick. Now I'm gonna do my hair with my Shark. You guys know that I love my Shark. I do love my Dyson too. The Dyson is a bit more convenient because you don't have to keep switching on and off the barrel. You could just twist, but I feel like the curl holds better with the Shark. And I love that this one is bedazzled. I got it last year. It was like their limited edition. I believe it was like during the holiday season too. I am back, hair is done. Let's do a rapid fire PR unboxing. I haven't really done one of these on YouTube. They're usually all very quick ASMR type, but let's go through everything, shall we? Starting with the biggest and heaviest one, it's this gingerbread house. It is an advent calendar from P&G. Where is one? One is here. It's an Olay Super Serum, the body wash from Ivory, a deodorant from Secret, Oat Spice Fresh Pine Body Wash, the Olay Super Serum Body Lotion. Oh my gosh, it's this base like travel kit with their luggage tag and passport holder, I think. I have the matching suitcase in this color too. I have both the carry-on and the checked bag. Olay body wash. I think it's also a deodorant. The Siren though. Another deodorant from Oat Spice. Olay cleansing melts. Ooh, I've definitely seen these online. I'm excited to try this out. And last but not least, 12. Oh my gosh, we have a Hatch. Is this the newest one? I think this is the Hatch 3. I have the Hatch 2 right now. Next, we have something from Bath & Body. go. Ooh, okay. We have some shower steamers. Love. It's a perfume mist. Twisted peppermint body wash. The matching body cream. Bright Christmas morning hand soap. Whiskey Reserve. Oh, it's for men. It's a 3-in-1 hair, face, and body wash. Aw, I wish it was a mini golden doodle instead. So cute. We got some hand sanitizer, wallflower. Here is the scent, the holiday scent. We have a candle. Oh my god, this is one of my favorite scents from them for the holiday. This is the winter candy apple. And a little candle stand to put the candles in. Another candle. It is Tree Farm. Super fresh. Last but not least, we have a fragrance mist in the scent Moonlit Goddess. Ooh, smells like sugar cookies. Next, I have 2 of the same Everyday Magic set from Amika. This will be going towards my giveaway. And we have some glow recipe sets, which I will also be including in the giveaway. We have something from Tatcha. It is their new longevity serum. We have something from Rhode. I already know what this is. These are their new eye patches. So silly, so cute. Ooh, they gave me 2 boxes. Oh, I see. This one says Rhode, and then this one is just the logo. Next, we have Huda Beauty. It is for their blush filter palette. Ooh, look at this bag it comes in. We've got the blushes in here. Roseberry, Toasty Peach, Baby Pink. They're all so pretty. I'm gonna keep one of them and we'll probably give 2 of these away. They will be included in my giveaway with this pouch. Okay, what else is in here? We have some clips. We have a heart mirror cheek brush. They're liquid blushes. Their liquid blushes are actually so good. It blends so easily. I have something from Clean Skin Club. We have their towels. As an acne-prone girly, this is a must. Ooh, what do we have in here? So cute and cozy. A ColourPop palette, perfume from Finery, Not Another Cherry, a lip blush, and this is a blush stick. And last but not least, we have some scrunchies. We have a package from Laneige. Oh my gosh, this is so cute with the travel pouch, the cream skin toner, the water bank cleanser, lip sleeping mask, and their water bank moisturizer. I love a lip balm set. This is so cute. These are the perfect stocking stuffers. This is the lip balms with lip mask. This one specifically for the holiday. It comes with a full size of the lip glowy balm in a candy cane flavor and the lip sleeping mask, also candy cane. I will also be including these in the giveaway for you guys. I know you guys love the gift sets. And we have something from Kayali. They sent over a whole tote. Ooh, we have a makeup bag, a little booklet to go over the new collection, the Freedom collection. Ooh, is this a planner? Notebook journal. And we have a little pouch. We have some pens, of course, to go with the journal. And we have their new perfumes. Musk Centel, Musk Bouquet, and we have Musk Latte, Musk Matcha? Are you kidding me? I need to smell this. I need to smell this. Wow, I really smell the matcha. Smells like the very creamy, milky matcha. I don't hate it, like, I love. Oh my gosh. We have something from Kiko. They sent over their lip glosses. Ooh, we have something from Shark. It is the Shark Glossy. It is a 2-in-1 hot tool air glosser. I do love my Shark Flex style. Ooh, another box from Kayali. It is their Musk 12. And which one is this? Vanilla. Keynotes Lotus, Vanilla, Freesia, Jasmine, Musk, Sandalwood. This sounds like something I would like. Ooh, so pretty. Okay, let's smell this. Wow, this smells super light. This is like a scent I would use at the shower. It just smells very clean. We have something from Ulta Beauty and Mini Brands. This sounds fun. Oh my gosh, look at this little plushie. Okay, shall we open this together? What have we got in here? Ooh, this is so cute! It's like a little daisy plush. I think I already got like the 2 cutest ones, which is the heart and the daisy. But let's see what we get. Guys, I am so grateful that I get to call this work, you know? Okay, let's open this. Ooh! Is that a star? So cute. It's from Dry Bar. Ooh. Is this a cloud? Cute. It's from Shea Moisture. Okay, one more. Last one. I think this will be the last unboxing because my camera's literally dying. Ooh, what is this? Oh, it's a donut from Truly. Cute. A huge thank you to all the brands for sending all the products, and also a thank you to you guys. I wouldn't be here doing this without you guys. Okay, I'm gonna clean up, charge my camera, and make some lunch. This girl's literally dragging me to Starbucks for a pop cup. You want a pop cup? Are you patiently waiting? You want it? Here you go. I got a gingerbread chai. Didn't even want Starbucks, but she literally dragged me in. Biscoff, come here. We're talking about you. Come here. She literally knows the way to Starbucks and drags me in every single time. You like your pup cup? Hmm? She's more addicted than I am. Anyways, this is my lunch. We have some frozen soup dumplings from Trader Joe's and a cup noodle. Guys, I miss Korea. Like, I miss my 7-Eleven runs. I have a diet of a teenager. I am a 26-year-old teenager. Let's microwave this. How long do I microwave this for? I think like under 2 minutes. 1 minute and 45 seconds. I'm gonna quickly blanch my veggies. Should I also make an egg too? Okay, maybe no egg since I also have my soup dumplings, and I was gonna add in protein, but this is protein. I feel like a big back eating both of these. It's usually one or the other, but maybe because I'm extra hungry today since I only ate a yogurt bowl for breakfast. This girl also wants to eat, so I'm gonna open her advent calendar. Ooh, so yummy. I think you got this for day one. So pretty. Chin. All right, give me a kiss. Here you go. I'm gonna go and edit this vlog, so I will see you guys in the next episode. Bye!